Hey guys, how you doing? It is October 17th, 2020. This video I'm going to do a little talk on Propress and my thoughts on Propress. I get a lot of these questions all the time about it. Now, the Propress and all this new technology that came out, it's great if you're working in like hospitals and big schools where you get a lot of big volume of water and you got to cut a valve in or something like that. I mean, that's where I would use a Propress if I had to. But I work in houses, residential houses, where you could just drain the whole house out and you don't need the Propress. And I mean, I think soldering is like a dying art, and a lot of these guys are going to the Propress and they don't know how to solder. So I don't, for me in my job, I don't need the Propress. I don't want the Propress. The fittings are like twice as much, and I like doing soldering. I think it's a better job. I think it looks neater. For me, I have no desire to get the Propress. And I get these guys commenting all the time. Oh my God! Look at you. You need a Propress. No, that's you guys don't know how to solder. I bet you any money you guys can't solder for shit if you're using that Propress. I guarantee it. But like I said, for a small commercial application, that's where it shines. That's where I would use it, like for the first shut-off valve, because you got to drain the whole building down, and I mean, it takes forever to drain them big mains down. The solder, there is different ways of doing things, There is things you can stick inside the ball valve and crank it up, and you can solder the ball valve and then pull that thing out and shut it. I have all that stuff in the truck. But I just, that's my thoughts on the whole thing. I don't need it. I don't want it. I guess maybe I'm old school, and I enjoy soldering. I mean, it is kind of like an art form. There's a lot of things that comes into effect where there's water in there, and yeah, it might be easier to do the Propress. I don't like the looks of it when it's all done. I think it looks like shit, to be honest with you. On a boiler installation, I don't really like the way it looks, and it's just an O-ring in there. I mean, I'd much rather have that full joint of solder all the way around. It's going to last. I don't know how long that O-ring is going to last. It starts drying out or something. I think they start leaking over time. I don't know. But that's just my thought, my take, and I figured I'd make this video and try to clear up, because I get these guys asking me continuously, especially if I do like a boiler replacement. I get like 5 or 6, maybe 10 comments on the Propress, That's what I think about it, and I'm not going to change my mind. All right, guys, have a good day.